How's everybody doing? This is, today I'm gonna teach you how to start building a website. Let's make this quick and simple. Please subscribe, comment, and if I made this is my first video I'm ever made, so if I make a mistake, please leave a comment beneath it, like it, give us a shout out, whatever to call it. So let's start. Pretty much open up Dreamweaver. When you open up Dreamweaver, click site. This is how I learned it since I was, I started building website like 2 years ago. Click site, new site. Now name whatever your site name is, name it. You can name it 12356700008. I'm gonna name it row. And I want it to be accessible and well, I want it to be accessible, so let's get out of this. This is the first site I made when I first made the video. I didn't like it. I wanted to be on my desktop, It was in my document. Where my document at? It's in here. My document was in here, but I wanted to be on my desktop. So pretty much you click on new file and you create a new folder. Since I want this folder to be named rows, so I'm gonna name this row. Then I'm gonna open it up, and inside of it, I'm gonna put a folder called HTML, because that's where all your web files gonna be at. Your HTML, your PHP, and you could name the folder PHP. It doesn't really matter. Then inside that folder, name another folder called img for image, shortcut for image. Now just click select. I ain't here, bro. Then open that up. You click select. All right. Now all your your web file is gonna be in the HTML folder, and your image is gonna be in the image folder. Now click save. Now congratulations, you just made your first website, foundation of a website. To continue, click on, I need to stop saying a lot, but click on, right click, follow the mouse, right click on, then go to new file, just need to stop that. And name it whatever you want to name it. I'm gonna name mine. In fact, no, you can name it index. Now when you're done that, open up index.html. Let's go into the code, cause we gotta make this quick. Now in the code, pretty much the code is where, pretty much you could just say the code is how can I say this? The code is pretty much like, you could pretty much say flash. Yeah, then the design is pretty much the skin of whatever the flesh look like, pretty much. So let's go. Yeah. So pretty much now let's change this from this to whatever. I'm gonna name it home. Y'all could say welcome home, welcome old people, welcome new people. Now you won't have this. The reason I have this because I click enter twice in here in the design view. So you shouldn't have that. But I want to remove it and start from scratch. First I want to create a div. Okay, a div. Then you always make sure to close it up with the div again. Or you do this, close. Alright, when you close the div, inside of it, let's put anything you want to put, because pretty much this will be the header. Iptions, because that's my company name. You can check this up online, iptions.com. Iptions, zoom, whatever you call this, I don't know. Now you see how it just got in here. You see that? You know, anything you write in here, the design view gonna display it pretty much. Anything they write in, you know, but always it have to be in, like, if you want to make it look nice and all, well, it had to be in a code, pretty much. Let's just say code. I'm like I said, I'm not an advanced, I didn't say, I'm not an advanced, no, I'm not a beginner, I'm just there. So I'm gonna be learning how, while y'all learning, pretty much. I'm gonna be learning more and more about it. So this right here is the header, but we don't like the header, and we do not want it to be all white, like this lane. So let's add some colors. Alright, first, anytime you want to add, you know, background color, you always must choose style. But also, we're gonna learn about CSS in the future. This right here, CSS. We're gonna start using this to implement, you know, the style inside to make all the background the same color, or give each one of them a unique, specific color, but not right now. So let's go to style. You want a background color, or you could use background image too, but I want background color. Background color to let's choose this color, and let's just close it up. Always use that this little thing to close it up. No matter, every time you install, when you finally choose your whatever you first want, close it up with this. Now, if you look, the whole color should be that color. Yeah, I'm right. Oh gee. All right. Now we do not want to. If this is the header, why is this so small? That's what I'm saying. So pretty much, let's use the H1 tag, or you could use font, but H1. Then we do the same thing on this side to close it up. H1 tag, and let's do this. Now there it is. It's an H1 tag. The div color is like a light gray. Now you could view it, or we could put this in the center, because I don't like it there. So let's try to put this in the center. Align center. Control S. You know, you always gotta save every time you do your work. Alright. Now pretty much it's in the center. We just made our first, I guess, header. Yeah. That easy. Is it hard? No sir. So before I start doing anything new, let's see it in our web browser. I use Google Chrome. So let it load up. You know, I'm gonna stop telling you about my life. Alright, there it is. Options, zoom. Yeah, I know, why is this so far down? We're gonna, you know, over time we're gonna put it up there. But right now, let it be where it's at. Now to put it up, you know, to put it all the way up on top, it's quite easy actually. But right now, I'm not gonna teach you that, cause you know, I'm running. Well, I got like 2 more minutes left, so. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Well, in fact, you didn't even know I was going. Huh. So pretty much, now in the style, when you know, after the, you know, bracket, whatever you call it, I think it's a semicolon. No, it's a comma. Whatever, okay. Whatever it is, not a comma though. Not a colon, not a comma, so. Okay, whatever it is, not a semicolon. Alright, so pretty much space. Now you want margin. Margin top, and you want it to be at -30, because you know you want it to go up, not down. So like margin top -30 up. So you know what I mean. OG pixel. You must put pixels. There's other way to symbolize, but you know, Dreamweaver only take pixels, I believe. So then you Control S, always save your file, and then you click. Then you know you click the little earth symbol, and then preview your file again. Let it load up. Hold up. We only have how many more minutes left? Dang, it's about to be over. Alright, so pretty much this will be the. Please make sure to subscribe, and there it is. You know, now it's above, making, you know, everything look nice. You could use the margin to bring it down a little bit. Please subscribe to my channel. Like CAP is right above you. You know, whatever it's at. And that's all. Comment, please. You know, more comment will make me understand what y'all really wants. And thank you and goodbye. E.